Oh, my sign is too high. Oh, we're live. Athletic Robots. Yeah. What it is. Coming back at ya. Ready to have some fun tonight with the 2020 Donruss Optic Football Hobby Box Break. Hi! Little wobble wobble. On a little bit early, like always. Catch up on all the news and shoot the breeze and stuff. Ouch. What's up, Jake? What's happening, Brian? What's going down, guys? About to get up in some hobby box action. This is $1,000 worth of fun that we're about to jump up in here, so it's gonna be fun. Yeah, that was that, Brian. That was Jackie putting her gloves on. She popped me in the face with the gloves before she put them on. That was the smack. And then, she's got, she don't even have them on yet. That pop was the smack to the face. So, yeah, she's like taking it out on me. I don't know what's going on here. That pop was the smack. Oh. Before she bent you. That's right. It's my punishment for being here and breathing and stuff. How dare I? How dare I? And so, as a result, schmack! You know, just a little love tap. I'll be all right. I'm all right. Can I help you? Yeah. But yeah, for those of you who are on early, thank you very much for joining early. We'll be getting up at, and it is 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. Yeah. Let's get fired up, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be fun tonight. Everybody's paid. Everybody's in it to win it. All the teams are spoken for and stuff. So, I do look forward to this evening. As you can tell, what we're looking at is the Optic Hobby Box Break. Factory sealed. Is that right, Jordan? Uh-oh. Now, with that in mind, if you did miss this auction, and for whatever reason, just be aware that going forward, guys, you can always view my full schedule at the top of my Facebook group page. So the Athletic Robots Facebook group page. Right on the top is a full schedule, and that has a link to the eBay store. And so if you click on the store and then you type in your squads, it'll show you all the breaks that are available, or, type in the name of the cards that you're wanting to get to and stuff. What's up, Josh? Yeah. Hey, how's it going, Sam? Grind. That's right. Grind. Okay, cool. Look forward to it. We'll be back at it all the time. So, yeah, definitely check that schedule. And like I say, guys, my name's Tommy Ayers, of course, and coming at you from Iowa. So definitely get up on the Facebook group page. You can bust me a message and what have you. Grind. What's up, Brooke? Brooke Ben, how's it going? Yeah, Cody B, welcome back. Represent Cody B. A full-timer. Cody B, officially a full-timer. Represent, welcome back. And, hey, what's up, Max? First time breaking. All right, glad to have you. Glad to have you. This is going to be fun, guys. So what I do is I'll read the starting lineup, and then we're going to jump on in. And of course, as stated in the, let's see another downtown, Kyle. That would be sweet, right? I've been on a downtown tangent I have pulled 3 downtowns in the past, like, I don't know, 3 days, it seems like. But the first one that we got was the Dalvin Cook. And I ended up buying that. I'm so happy to own that because it was the first one that I opened and stuff. It's all sentimental. And then we got the Brett Favre and the Daniel Jones. So we've pulled 3 downtowns. And they're so rare. So yeah, best of luck to everybody. They got all types of stuff in these hobby boxes. So if it does have more than one player on it from different teams, I am going to use dice because I'm old. And I have not quite figured out how to do the random.org on the broadcast. So if we do get a multi-team, I'm going to use dice. And so I'm prepared for that. So FYI to all the kids at home. But Optic has been real good to me. I do love the set. It's real high quality. And so I do look forward to everybody getting a little something. Now, of course, everybody's not going to get something, so keep that in mind. But let's do the best we can. Let's get that good juju, right? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get into the starting lineup here, and I'll be out of the comments briefly, and then I shall return. So, so the first team is the Cowboys. Welcome back, Kent Z. Got the Cowboys. Congratulations. So I do want to make sure we definitely go for those CDs. I know Kent is a legit CD fan, so I will do my best. And Max, welcome to the crew. Max D, you've got the Lions and the Niners. And then Fotis, welcome back as well. Fotis representing with the Bengals and the Steelers. Kevin B, you've got the Broncos and the Jaguars. Tim C, you've got the Falcons and the Giants. Patriots and the Jets for Kyle A. Welcome back, Kyle. You get the Patriots a lot, if I'm not mistaken. The Panthers, Texans, Chiefs, and the Hawks for Joe K. And the Bills, Vikings, Saints, and the Bucks for Joshua F. Welcome back, Josh. Got to get those Vikes in there. I see. Welcome back. And then welcome back as well. Man, let me take a breath here, Cody. Need like a oxygen mask to get these teams out. Here we go with the Bears, Browns, Packers, Rams, Eagles, and the Titans for Cody B. Yeah, that's quite the lineup there. And welcome back, Sam M. You've got the Washington. And Robert H. You have the Dolphins. The Chargers for Anthony R. The Raiders for Scott M. The Colts for Brooke I. I saw you on here, Brooke. And the Ravens for Amanda B. And last team in the lineup is the Cardinals for Matthew H. Yeah. All right. This is going to be fun, guys. As you all know, Panini puts the cards in the box. I just pull them out with a little justice. So let's get fired up. Everybody have fun. Put in the comments what teams you have, what players you got to have, what players you love, what players you collect, what players you got to have 82 of, what players you got to have 83 of, what players you need for life and stuff. Gonna get on these gloves for surgery. Ham Cody. Boom! Ah. Let's get spicy. So I do look forward to this. Now, as stated in the auction description, guys, I will sleeve everything that's not a base card. And the hits I will put into top loaders. Do you know where any dice might be? Get my guy. I know I'm prepared in principle. Oh, there's 82 dice. I just need one. But yeah. We play Farkle, so I figured we had some dice handy. Oh, yeah. Let me see the bucket thing. I want that thing, yeah. So if I have to do it. Okay, cool. Here we go with Mr. Muscles, Akers, All the Eagles, Herney, Love. Okay, I got to think of who Herney is. So when you type in Herney, it makes me think of hernia. Okay, Josh is going for the Jefferson Please Lord with the prayer hands. I mean, that's got like extra juice. You know what I'm saying? Sam's going for the Chase Yizzy. And Brooke, Isa. Oh, Stiff Arm Henry. What was I saying that it was? Let's see here. Herney. Herney is Henry. Oh, I see. Just simply misspelled it. I knew that. I was just making sure you're paying attention. But best of luck, guys. This is going to be fun. I don't care what you say. So, know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's do this. What do we got here? Oh, yeah. I didn't really read the box and stuff. But we got 4 cards per pack, 20 packs per box. Find 1 autograph per box on average. Oh, I love averages. Oh, my God. So I'm not reading that. But there it is. And stuff. Let's do this. All right. Let's officially get fired up. Oh, yeah. There we go. Forgot my garbage can. Hey, lovely Jackie. No. Would you kindly hand me the garbage can yonder? What's the look for?
I can get up, but you can run.
Well, I'm a professional, I'm trying to stay in my zone, you know what I'm saying? I got a little bubble over here. It's hard to move when you're in the zone, you know what I'm saying? All right. Here we go. Who's next? We haven't had it first, but let's see what we got with the box number here. We got, box number 03207. Let's get spicy. I have not witnessed a hobby break or done one, so this is my first one. I'm so pumped. I can hardly contain myself. So, it's like all these packs of gold, and they're straight up gold. Sweet. What you gonna do? Alright, I'll use this box to secure the cards as we get cooking. Yeah, let's get the fire out. Let's let it all out, everybody. We had a great... What? We had a great break last night. So, I just expect to have a great break tonight. You know what I'm saying? It's optimism. Here we go. First pack of the break. Best of luck to everybody. We got the Jason Kelsey on the Eagles. Aaron MVP Rodgers for the pack. Oh, speaking of Packers, right away in the first pack. Let's get fired up. I think Cody put that in the comments. Jordan Love, the Rookers. Yeah. And let's get spicy. So much excitement. That's why it's so exciting. Wee. What's that?
Pig hanging out the window.
It reminds... Oh, the pig hanging out the window. Yeah, the Tristan Wirfs represent Iowa Hawkeyes for the Bucks. Super Bowl champ Rooker. We're taking my sleeves now. All right, great first pack. So, that's cool. We got both Packers quarterbacks in the first pack. Interestingly enough, I would say Jordan Love, has never played, but his card is worth more than Aaron Rodgers. And stuff. Interesting how the hobby works, right? It's like speculation makes him worth more, even though Aaron Rodgers is the MVP. I don't understand. Someone help explain that. I don't know. Here we go with Big Ben on the Steelers, Aaron Jones for the Packers, and we got a Dominators Tyreek Hill for the Chiefs, and it's not numbered. And then Kenneth Murray, base rookie for the Chargers. Are you separate them? Okay, let's see here.
Taking one of these from the house.
I don't know, are you? That's pretty rude. Why you gotta be so rude to me? Be nice. I'm a card breaker. I know karate. Alright, here we go. And 2 other words like that. Here we go with Tyler Boyd on the Bengals. Miles Sanders, Eagles. Oh, let's get fired up, Chargers. Oh. We got Justin Herbert, Elite Rookie Chargers. Let's get spiced. Not numbered. Oh, he scrambles in the pocket. He's elusive. And we got the Antoine Winfield Jr., Super Bowl champ rookie. Bucks have got 2 rookies so far. Loving life. Anyone named Josh is a 50-50 gamble. In Josh's experience in life, anyone named Josh is a 50-50 gamble. I hear ya. Next hobby pack. What you gonna do? Keenan Allen on the Chargers. Mark Andrews for the Ravens. Zadarius Smith, Packers. And Packers got another rookie. This is Josiah DeGuara. A rookie. Who's next? At least they're not wasting our time with a bunch of kid reporter cards. That's good. Cam Newton, Patriots. Joe Mixon, Bengals. And here we go with, what is this? The No Huddle Prism? Oh, it's numbered. So Drew Lock for the Broncos. You got a numbered card, 34 out of 125. And so what are these sequins? Is this the No Huddle optic? Or what is this called? It's got the circular sequins, is what I call them. Little sparkly hey. Sweet though. Numbered. Nice hit for the Broncos. And then the Bucks got another rookie. This is the Tyler Johnson, Super Bowl champ rated rookie. Disco. Okay, cool. Thank you, Max. I thought it was either disco or no huddle. Okay, it's disco. Okay, cool. Back in the old days, I would bust out my Beckett magazine and be like, say what I act like I know what I'm talking about. But who's got the Broncos? I don't recall. So that's cool. Shit. Why don't I know that? I don't know. All right. Who's next? Here we go with a Ryan Tannehill. Oh, okay, cool, Kevin. Congratulations. That's sweet. Chances are you're a Drew Lock fan then. So that's cool. I had not even seen that variation in optic yet, so that's cool. Here we go with Ryan Tannehill on the Titans. Austin Eckler, Chargers. And we got a backwards card out of 50 for the Ravens. Patrick Queen. Ooh, sweet. It's purple. Oh, awesome. There you go, Ravens. Got you a 15 out of 50 Patrick Queen purple prism. That's cool. So are these purples? It just looks purple. So I don't know if it's purple shock or purple, galaxy. Purple rain, purple outer space, purple haze. I don't know. Whatever. Purple. And then right behind the Patrick Queen, we got the Chase Claypool Steelers rated rookie. So 2 back-to-back hits. Sweet. Out of 50, though, Patrick Queen. That's clearly limited. Definitely a short print. You see that, Jackie? Looks perfect with his jersey, too, the purple.
Nice.
That's sweet. 15 out of 50. That's beautiful. So congratulations to the Ravens. If you got the Ravens on the chat, represent. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I think the purple shock or whatever is out of the mega boxes or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, not shock, right? Just straight up purple. All right, next hobby pack, kids. What you gonna do with the Alvin Kamara Saints? Nick Chubb and the Browns. And Panthers got you a silver holo of Christian McCaffrey. Sweet. There you go. Not numbered. That's cool. And Jets got a rookie, Mekhi Becton. A rookie. Amanda, is that you? The which one? The Ravens? Sweet. That's awesome. What's that?
He's marching.
Yeah, Mekhi Becton looks like it. Here you go, Jackie. Hey, Joni, how's it going? Yeah. People get crazy sometimes on their bidding because they love, it's like they love, love, love. So, yeah, but glad you could join, though, right? It's always nice to see. I like watching breaks. I watch breaks quite often that I'm not participating in. So, you got the Purple Shock Jeff the other day talking about Justin Jefferson. Don't tell me you got the Purple Shock Justin Jefferson.
Yes, please don't tell him that.
Jackie is requesting that you please don't tell me that. Derek Carr and the Raiders. Calvin Ridley, Falcons. And Niners. You have a special. It's a blue. Okay, it's numbered. So you've got Garoppolo numbered 240 out of 299. Blue prism. So this here is the Garoppolo blue out of 299 for the Niners. Jacob Eason, also for the Colts, represent. Got you a rated rookie, Jacob Eason. All right. Who's next? We got the Marquise Brown for the Ravens, Drew Brees, Saints, Mike Williams, Chargers, and Raekwon Davis, rookie for the Fins. That would be funny, Josh. That's a funny thought. I didn't even think about that as being a possibility. Garoppolo becoming Brady's backup again. That would be quite, the circle of life type thing. Here we go with Julian Edelman for the Pats, AJ Green Bengals, Dwayne Haskins of Washington, and Panthers got you a Jeremy Chin Roker. So Panthers are doing decent. You got a silver Christian McCaffrey and Jeremy Chin. I think Jeremy Chin might work out. Not 100%, but pretty close. All right. Who's next? Speaking of Brady, we got the GOAT, Tom Brady, a base. DJ Chark Jr., our Jaguars, Matt Ryan Falcons, and Noah Igbinoghene, Dolphins, Rooker. Yeah. Well, Garoppolo was a backup under Brady for so long. It's like, he's ready as he's going to be, right? I think one good draft later and they're right in the hunt. The Niners. Here we go with Kerryon Johnson, Lions, Chris Godwin, Bucks. And got another blue prism. This one's for the Jets of Ashton Davis Rooker. So this is numbered 71 out of 299. For Ashton Davis Rooker for the Jets. And then right behind that, we've got another Colts Rooker. And this is Michael Pittman Jr. Rated Rooker. What did he say before that? Oh. See, I'm not sure who Ashton Davis is. He's a safety out of California. See, I'm not sure who that is. Still. All right, who's next? We got the Stiff Arm Henry for the Titans. Max Crosby, Raiders. Josh Allen for the Bills. And the Rooker, Damon Arnett for the Raiders. Who's next? We got Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. Avon Miller, Broncos. And the Jets got another Rooker. This is the Silver Holo, LaMichael Pirine. Rated Rooker. And Niners got a Rooker, Javon Kinlaw, a base. All right. Who's next? We got the Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Cortland Sutton, Broncos. And Giants. Got you a silver holo of Saquon. Sweet. That's cool. I know you're going to like that. And Tommy Stevens, Rooker for the Saints. Definitely don't know who that is. Ashton Davis is Ashton Davis. Yeah, right? I know, I've just never seen him play, never heard of him outside of that card. I don't think he's in other sets. I don't think he was in Prism or Mosaic. I could be mistaken. Sam Darnold, excuse me, for the Jets. DK Metcalf, Hawks. Michael Thomas, Saints. And Ross Blacklock for the Texans. Rooker. Will a real Ashton Davis please stand up? All right, all right, all right. Got what, 4 packs to go? Trucking right along. Bobby Wagner on the hacks. We got Josh Allen for the Jaguars. And Tommy Stevens again for the Saints. This is the Silver Holo rookie. And Eno Benjamin, base rookie for the Cardinals. Flail. My goal in life is to pull the Justin Jefferson auto. So that would just really need to go ahead and happen. Here we go with the Tomato Gardener Minshew, the second to Jaguars. Fitzy for the Cardinals. And here you go, Hawks. Got you a grind. Russell Wilson. That's sweet. Numbered out of 35. Wow. Number 1 out of 35. Cool. There you go, Seahawks. Can't say I never gave you nothing. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, we friends. We friends. Hey, Scrambling. Nice. Me like. And then the Bills got you a Gabriel Davis, a rated rookie. Grind. Yeah, that grind. Russell Wilson makes me feel good. Nice. That's the most limited card, out of 35. Looks to be well centered, maybe a little off top to bottom, very slightly, but that might be within the
Isn't 1 good too?
Parameters. And it is number 1 out of 35, so I don't know if that makes it better or not, but that's cool. Sweet card. And then the Gabriel Davis for the Bills Mafia. Yeah, I guess I didn't. I did the research, but I forgot how many numbered cards to expect and so forth. I'm just seeing more than I thought would be in here, so that's cool. All right, getting down to the nitty gritty. Got 2 packs to go. Yeah, right, Josh. I think it's possible. We got the DeAndre Hopkins for the Cardinals. Adam Thielen for the Vikes. And here we go. Dub Bears represent with a Khalil Mack Blue Prism. This is sweet. Okay, now this one's numbered out of 179. So 113 out of 179. And we've got the Khalil Mack. He works out for sure. Oh, sweet card. It does look to be in absolutely beautiful condition. So, hope you like this one. That's a sweet card. All right, cool. And then right behind that, we do have the Jerry Jeudy rated rookie for the Broncos. Let's get fired up over both of those. Yeah. So yeah, we'll sleeve those and display them. Russ. I'm trying to think of who Russ is. Oh, Russell Wilson. That's a good question. Where is Russell Wilson going to play? It sounds like the Bears are trying to court him, like the Bears really want Russell Wilson. Yeah, I would say so, right, Sam? I've not seen the auto yet, so I would say it's in this last pack. Let's get a little justice. All right, last pack of the break. While I've definitely got all of your attention, I do want to mention that the eBay store, Athletic Robots, we're doing Optic football next weekend. We've got Topps baseball going on Wednesday. And we've also got basketball hobby boxes going down next weekend, this coming weekend. So it's going to be fun. Definitely check out the store, guys. My name's Tommy Ayers. You can message me on Facebook as well. And I've got the YouTube channel. So you can always watch all these videos forever. As long as YouTube has them on there. Also, I've got the Instagram at Athletic Robots. And that's all I'm going to say about that. You know what I'm saying? So let's get spicy. And let's definitely get fired up for the last pack of the break, which should contain an auto, according to Panini.
Average.
Dalvin Cook for the Vikes. David Montgomery, Bears. George Kittle for the Niners, Dominators. No auto in the box. Trevon Diggs, rookie for the Cowboys. That's boo-boo. I have heard about this before, but what can you do, right? Represent Hawkeyes. Not numbered. Well, that's the break, kids. So, yeah, that's why they always put that stupid on average mumbo jumbo. That's really stupid. Let's see here. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Well, all aside from not giving us an auto in our hobby box that cost $1,000, the other cards that were not autograph cards were great. So I like to look at the positive sides of things. I do my best. But that's it, kids. So let me do a review here. And yeah, right. All right. Yeah, thanks, Josh. I mean, what in the world, right? I had heard about it being a thing, but I didn't think it would actually be a thing. And it's a thing. It's really stupid, but it's like, yeah. So I wonder if I could like email them with this video, but I've heard that they just ignore you. So I don't know. Anyways, God. All right, we got Khalil Mack, Bears, and you've got the blue numbered prism. Then we've got Gabriel Davis, a rated rookie. Tommy Stevens, silver holo. Saquon, silver. LaMichael Perrine, silver. Then we got the Ashton Davis blue. Light blue, I'll say then, because the Khalil Mack is dark blue. Michael Pittman Jr., Tom Brady, Jeremy Chin, Jacob Eason, Jimmy Garoppolo, light blue. So we got two light blues. Then we got the Christian McCaffrey silver, Chase Claypool, Patrick Queen. What is this? Oh, these are different colors? Okay, yeah. Okay, so the Patrick Queen's a purple, and then the Khalil Mack is a dark blue. All right, and then we also got the Drew Lock Disco, and this is numbered as well. We got the Justin Herbert Elite. We got the Russell Wilson Grind. This is numbered as well. Got the Jordan Love, the Rookies. Jerry Jeudy, rated rookie. Tyler Johnson. And Tristan Wirfs, represent Iowa Hawkeyes. Yeah, thank you very much, Josh, Sam, yeah. Right? I mean, so that's the hobby box, guys. And like always, I do appreciate everyone's interaction and participation. It is what it is. As we all know in cards, I know my experience, that is. a lot of the time when I open cards, I don't get really anything. So, but I do appreciate everyone. And as stated in the auction, I will get all this packaged up and shipped out to you tomorrow. So you'll get your cards quicker than quick. And hey, you have a good night, Cody. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate you. Got a whole bunch of squads, so I'll get your package shipped out. Cody, you might be in on next weekend's though, so. But get back at me, guys. I'll be back at it on Wednesday for 82 million trillion Topps baseball cards. And then next weekend, we'll be back at it for Optic football, and we're doing certified basketball hobby boxes. That's going to be awesome. All right, cool, Cody. We will see you next time. Kyle, you too, man. Thank you. I got your box packaged up, Kyle. And I think, yeah, so you'll have a box and a package, I believe, for whatever reason. Okay, cool, Cody. Yeah, I'll hold them until the next weekend. Yeah, but, you know, just doing the best I can. So, all right, but that's the break. And I'll go ahead and upload this video to YouTube. And that's all I got. That's the video. See ya.